What's going on YouTube? I am Mike. This is Living with 3M and welcome back to the channel, guys. See the bunny flag? That means it's Easter, and we just had family over, and grateful for that, for been able to visit with family and my son and his wife and the grandkids. Man, it's wonderful. Okay, so I was out here to try to just knock a little bit of pollen off of the truck. I mean, it was bad. You can see the hose pipe laying there. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna switch out. I've had an issue with, for some reason, I don't even drive the truck daily, much less run the windshield wipers. But I guess because they're rubber blades and the environment, it just eats them up. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Just step over here real quick. Oh, and there's Gabriel for everybody. Yep, you know he don't get excited. So, also, you may want to break out the trusty stool if you're on a 7-inch lift like me, or a 6-inch, or a 4-inch, whatever you got. It's a lot easier with a stool. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, got my step stool, and you gotta figure I'm 6'1" and still have trouble. And yeah, you can see the issue right there. It looks like a million-mile truck, but I barely even drive it. It's a 16 model with just turned 40,000 miles on it now. So let's see. Yeah, it's pretty much gone, and the more you pull it, the more it just pulls off of there. So I'm going to show you guys how to swap these out. And I know you can run up to the parts store, but those windshield wiper blade refills that they give you at Advanced and AutoZone, I don't know about them. They could be good, but I always try to go back with Motorcraft. And as you can see, there's the part numbers, and that they are identical. I'm guessing that's what I was given by Ford Parts. So all right, I'll show you how to swap these out. All right, guys, come around here, set that up there. And I don't know if you can see this from that distance, but you're gonna flip these completely backwards, and be careful not to drop the windshield wiper on the windshield afterwards. But up under here is a button. Let's see. It's not really a button, it's just a tab. And you're gonna push it in. Do you see it click? So you're just gonna push it in, and then this thing will really, let's see, flip it over, work with it. Let's see, there it is. Yeah, you just sort of loop it around and over. That's sort of how the motion will go. It's sort of self-explanatory. All right, and like I said, you don't want to drop that. That's pure metal. You don't want to drop that down on your windshield. It could crack it or definitely scratch it. All right, so the new Ford parts come with a little shield on it. So what we're gonna do now is really, all you do to put it on is really just hook the loop right there and pull till it clicks. It's that simple. Oh yeah, it's a much better part than, I think I previously, these were, believe it or not, these were Bosch's. So I don't know if you can see that, guys, but I always thought Bosch was top of the line, and it probably is, but just doesn't fare well in this North Carolina sunshine. But yeah, these have got like little wind guards on them also, and that's Ford Motorsport. So, I'm just letting you see that how easy it is, and you know, this right there, I'll leave that on there. But to take this one off, like I said, we flip it upside down, push the little button, pops off. You heard it pop. All right, so it is off. Yeah, all right, so just like that. Takes you a minute to get used to which direction to pull it and push it. Taking them off is by far harder than putting them on. Put them on, put it in there till it clicks. Just like that, and you're golden. You're good to go. All right, guys, that's full change of those. And like I said, parts store, you can have them do this. They come out, but you won't get the Ford Motorsport, the FOMO company. Yeah, the FOMO company, Ford Motorsport. You will not get them to come out at the Ford place. Good luck. You know, just not gonna happen. You can, if your truck or your car's in there for service, and you know, that's a given. That's a good time to have them switched. But if you want to do this yourself, you can either pull up to the Advance, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and have them run out to the car with their brands they carry, or you can go to Ford Parts, do it yourself in just a matter of minutes. So there we go. It wouldn't be possible without the stool. All right, fellas, that's the quick and easy video to changing out your windshield wipers. Like I said, mine is a lifted truck, 7 inches, so I got a little step stool right there. But even on a regular size truck these days, it's easier if you just have that little $20 step stool from Walmart, plastic. Comes in handy a lot of times. So okay, guys, that's gonna wrap the video up. I appreciate all my subscribers, but please, if you're new to the channel and you're just swinging by and you get a good tip that I give, if you like it, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps your boy out with the old algorithm in YouTube. And I'm really looking for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm really shooting for it. I'm trying just to give back, man. I'm just really truck and car crazy, man. I just love doing mods to stuff, and guys over the years have really shown me a lot, like Coyote Mike. You know Coyote Mike, if you guys don't know him, check him out in Texas at YouTube. Just Coyote Mike. A truck called Venom. Man, it's badass, I'm telling you. Oh, excuse me, excuse the language. But anyway, we're gonna get back to cleaning on the truck. It is Easter. We've already had the family up, so I want to wish each and every one of you guys a happy Easter. And remember, today is a special day, and it's not just about Easter eggs. So it's about God and his son Jesus Christ. So I will leave it at that, so you guys know where I stand. and we'll get back to modding and videoing. So, all right guys, catch you in the next video. See ya.